Follow these steps to customize app icon colors on iPad. Let's get started. The process is similar for iPhone as well as iPad. So in this guide, I'm gonna try it on iPhone. What you have to do is navigate to your home screen, press and hold on anywhere on the screen. Now at the top left, you will find the option Edit. You'll need to click on that option, then select the option Customize. Now at the bottom, you'll get this kind of pop-up, small, large, and different color options. In order to customize app icon colors, you can choose dark, automatic, light, or tinted. If you choose tinted, you are able to use the slider to set the color of your choice. Blue, green, yellow, any color of your choice. Once you are done, you can click on the screen and it will be saved. So this is how you can customize app icon colors on iPad. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.